Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I forgot to film an intro. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. This is the makeup look. Very Christmassy, right? I'm really happy with it. But yeah, if you want to see the journey of this makeup look, keep watching. Enjoy the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Let's get to the video. Hey guys, so I'm gonna be doing my makeup. I have this cute little like Christmas vibe outfit on. Yeah, I look so dead right now. My face without makeup. Pesto, say hi. Aww. So cute. Let's do this. But first I start with the Got to Be Glued biking gel. Sorry, it's really disgusting at the top, don't worry about it. I put it on a spoolie, some of the gel, and I gel my eyebrows up. Pesto is watching me.
Huh?
I think I'm gonna try to answer some questions that I get while I am doing my makeup. There we go. First question I get all the time is, where am I from? I am from Ukraine. I'm a twin, but my twin is in heaven. She passed away at birth. Very sad. I love her. My sister is my guardian angel. But yeah, in 2001, so I'm 24 years old. I know I'm unk. Okay, next I'm gonna finish letting these dry down. Okay, anyways, another question I always get is are you and Addie sisters? No, me and Addie are not sisters. We're best friends. But we're basically sisters. Like, it's like literally my closest person. Like, I talk to her about everything. Yeah! I feel like that's perfect. I like that. Okay, then I'm gonna do the other side. Also, people ask me, what's my favorite Disney movie? I love Disney movies, y'all. You don't understand. Like, my favorite Disney movie, Aladdin and Tangled. Like, I love Disney movies. Okay, this is perfect. I'm gonna conceal my eyebrows now. I use the Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer in the shade 115 Light Nude. It's really good. This is my favorite. I use it like as foundation because I don't like the feeling of foundation like too thick. I don't know, I love concealer, so I put some on my palette thing, my mirror, and then I just dip it with my flat brush, and then I conceal underneath first. So I start right here and I just start like just like highlights. And I love makeup so much. Like, makeup makes me so happy. It's literally like art to me. And the people saying like, you don't need makeup, you don't need makeup. Thank you. And I know I don't need it. I don't do it to cover my face. I don't do it to do anything. I do it because I love my face, accentuating my features. People think if you wear makeup you don't love yourself, but I think makeup is amazing. You can do so much with it. It doesn't have to be a negative thing. It's just about having fun, you know? One of my big goals in life is to create my own makeup brand. That's gonna be one of my biggest goals in life. My biggest passion. One day I'm going to do it. I'm manifesting it. I'm gonna have my own makeup brand, my own hair dyeing brand. But oh my gosh, these look so good. I'm so happy.
What the dog doing?
Hey, Pesto. He's been scratching me too much. I don't know if you can see, but that big scratch and it hurts. Wow, eyebrows are eating. I'm really happy with them. Time for a water break, sorry. I'm gonna keep going. This concealer, first I put it on the top right here. I just do kind of like this type of vibe. And then I use a beauty blender. Sound. I look so weird with just my forehead concealed. This is my first time trying this primer. It's the ⴑPoreless Face Primer. It looks so cute, it's pink. I'm gonna try it for the first time. Wait, that's so smooth. Let's keep going. So I'm gonna put some right here. I usually start like on the sides. I look ridiculous. Okay, this looks crazy, but it's okay, it's okay. Next, I use this Camo Liquid Contour, and I put it right here and blend. Okay, I'll try to tag all the products that I use in the product section below so you guys can grab the products that I use. I know a lot of people always ask me what I use and if you want your makeup to look like mine. Okay, next I use the Kimchi Puff Puff Pass powder. I use the rose like pink one. It's my favorite. It works so good, guys. And I use one of these like little, and then I put some on there and I start with the top of my eyelid and just kind of press it down. This powder works so good, chat. I just basically put it all over my face. I don't like my face feeling like sticky from like the concealer at all. There we go. I'm going to use this brush and wipe it off. So I also just got this new brush that I want to try the powdered bronzer with. I use the MCO Beauty Silky Smooth Bronzer. I don't know how well this brush works, but I actually like that though. Wow, really smooth, this brush. Okay, and then I do my eyeliner. My favorite part. I use the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. This is my favorite one. So good, chat. I will always stand by this. This is how I do my eyeliner. I start right here, like at the end of my eye, and I draw a line up, kind of almost straight, but not. A little bit angled. Like this. Then I start from right here, the middle of my like eye, and move up. So I do it like boom. Like that, but at the end of this wing, and I draw the line straight across like that. And connect it. Then I do the front and just fill it in. And just fill it in fully. And that's how I do my eyeliner. I really like that. That was actually such a good eyeliner. And then I'm gonna do the other side and try to make them look like twins. Try to make them match, you know? Sometimes it's hard, but I gotta try. I don't know if that's really matching.
Bruh.
I feel like that one's going higher up. Don't know if I can accept that. It's like what Bob Ross says. Mistakes are just happy accidents. Literally, makeup is art to me. Like, I love it. Chat, I think I can fix it. I'm going to conceal that. The thickness is already kind of off. Oh, I actually think I did it. Wait, whoa. This one's a little bit longer. Honestly, I think that's pretty good. My phone keeps moving, bro. But overall, I think they're good. I'm happy with it. Anyways, I got my new mascara. This is my favorite mascara. Highly rated Milani mascara. So freaking good, guys. Like, it's so good. Sometimes I have to do a few layers, but you know what? It's worth it. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna do the bottom lashes. I hope I don't mess this up. Sometimes I mess up the bottom lashes. Okay. I'm gonna let them dry. And then I'm gonna add some blush really quick. I forgot, but I use this one. It's the Artistry one. Artistry is a good brand. Then I put some liquid eyeliner on here, and then I grab my this brush. It's like an angle, and I put the eyeliner on the bottom of my lash line. Is that what it's called? Lash line? Yeah. Slay. I love my eyeliner. I feel like it's so good right now. I'm gonna add one more layer. Also, let me know what kind of videos you guys want me to do, because I really want to do like more Roblox videos or like gameplay videos. Also, I usually just stream when I play, you know. But yeah, let me know. I'm gonna be doing a Roblox gift card giveaway to one person that comments on this video. So everybody comment what your favorite video of mine is and how you found my account. Make sure you send this video to one of your friends. Make sure you leave a like. You have to like and subscribe, and I will be picking one person to send a Roblox gift card to. I'll have to do it like electronically, so like I'll get the card and then I'll send you it in the email of like a photo of the back so you can have the code and put the code in. But yeah, because I love you guys and I want to do more giveaways. I really want to give back to you guys. I love you guys. All the support, you know. I just feel like I really want to do something for you guys, especially all the support and love. Okay, slay. Okay, anyways, let's keep going. I'm gonna put my eyelashes on now. I use this Duo Green Lash Glue, my favorite. So good. I just kind of put the lash glue on my lid because it's easier to put my lashes on that way. This side. And then these are the lashes I use. I think I'll link the ones that I use down here, like in the products section. Yeah, these are my favorite lashes. Should probably get new ones, but so I'm just gonna try to rip this glue off of them and put them back on. Sorry, I don't know why my phone just turned off randomly. I feel like the lashes just complete my whole look. Okay, this is why it's so easy to put the lash glue on your lid, because look how easy this is gonna be. Like, I used to struggle so much putting the glue on the lash. Look how easy this is. Like, bro, boom, look at that. No way. That's the easiest thing ever. And then you just gotta fix it. Look at that. That's so easy. I love lashes. I love lashes. It makes me so happy, bro. Like, I love makeup. There we go. Like, look at that, guys. I'm gonna put some mascara on the bottom to make them blend better. I'm really happy with them. Now my phone's sideways again. Cool. Next, I put my highlighter on. Just put some at the tip of my nose and then like that. Oh, why is my phone doing that, bro? Lock in phone. Okay. And then I'm gonna use my lip liner. It's a Maybelline Color Sensational lip liner, Magnetic Mauve. My favorite one. It's so good. Like, look at that. Like, it literally eats. Like, look at that. Oh. There we go, chat. 6, 7. No.
You need to leave!
But there we go.
Sin City wasn't made for you.
Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's my makeup. I feel so cute and like Christmassy. Like, I love Christmas so much. I kind of want to like curl my hair, but low-key I kind of like it straight right now, but I'll probably end up curling it. But I'm gonna go curl it and I'll be back. And I will do the outro and the intro, actually, because I forgot to film an intro fully. So I'll do the intro and the outro when I'm back. Bye, chat.
2 hours later.
Hey guys, I'm back. I actually didn't end up curling my hair. I just kind of want to give it a break, and I kind of like it straight right now, you know? Yeah, I love you guys. I really appreciate all the love and support on my video. That's my finished makeup look. I got my Hello Kitty necklace, my whole makeup look. Thank you all so much for watching and for subscribing and being amazing human beings. You guys all make me so happy every day. I will continue to make more videos for you guys because I love you all so much. But yeah, I'm gonna do my nails separately, like on my own time. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, love you. Bye, Dar Stars.